Source: showcasing the 22 rights of a people president in the Bill of Rights of a Filipino presented in the Bill. Article 3, Section 1, Right to life. Example: Alma blinded Erna and he planned to kill her but he did not go through with it. Explanation: in this scenario, even if he did not kill Inma completely, Alma's blinding her should still involve taking someone's life.
In this scenario, even he didn't kill Ernest completely, Alma's blinding her would still in love taking someone's life.
Article 1, Right of Liberty. Your freedom to do things you want to do without anyone interfering with you. But these freedoms only have limits to be followed. Section 1, Right of Property. Example: you have a registered gun but you use it to hold up a bank, which is we know that this kind of work is wrong, so it will be punished by law. Section 2, the right of the people to be secure. The right of the people to be secure in their person, house, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be inviolable. And so search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination under oath of affirming of the complainant and the witness he may produce, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the person or things to be searched. When we say right of unlawful search and seizures, this right states that you cannot arrest or search the body of a suspicious person, and you cannot enter someone's house to search if you do not have a search warrant. But there are also cases where you have to arrest someone in flagrante delicto caught in the act. Example: the patrolman Dalisay witnessed a massacre in my area where he patrolling in this scenario because the patrolman himself saw the crime of murder. The person who committed it will be arrested without an arrest warrant. Secondly, you can confiscate something of mine that if illegally exposed of the public. Third, the checkpoints. But at the checkpoints, what you can do for search is very limited. Usually, the only thing done at checkpoint is up to plain view or visual search only. Section 2, the right of the people to be secure. And as an officer, you can also search a house if the person who lives there agrees that you can search with his permission. Section 3, the privacy of communication of corresponding. The privacy of communication of corresponding shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court or when public safety or order requires otherwise is prescribed by law. This section only states that no one can read or listen your private message or other conversation. And if you intend to use something like this to get evidence from someone, you cannot use it as evidence because it is a violence of someone's right to privacy. In other words, obtaining evidence in the wrong, you can be called fruit of poison tree.
Okay. Section 4, Freedom of Speech. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and petition the government for redress of grievances. Here in this section, it is stated the free expression of the thoughts of the people may government the free expression of the thought is only for the public thought.